Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. So guys, Samsung Notes has got a new software update. Now you can use Samsung Notes to solve mathematical equations using Math Solver. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful features for this update. So let's start. So first of all, I will open Samsung Notes and here I will open a new note, and on top right corner you can see we have these 3 dots for more options. So I will select it and here you can see we have this new option of turn on Math Solver. So I will turn on Math Solver and then I will start writing an equation. For example, I will write 2 multiplied by 7 minus 4 plus 9, and then in the end I will write this equal sign. So after writing this equal sign, you will get your answer. So Math Solver find the answer for your equation. The next thing is you can also convert it into a neat mathematical equation. So you can see we have this menu available on top. You can select these 3 dots and here we have this new option of convert to maths. So I will select it and then you can see it will give you this option. You can select this convert option and here your equation will convert it into a neat mathematical equation. You can also copy it and you can also use it in other platforms as well. Now let's try another example. For example, I will write here m is equal to 5 and x is equal to 7, and then I will write here m plus x and then I will write equal sign and I will automatically get my answer. So this is really amazing. The next feature is about selection tool. So you can use selection tool to convert any handwritten math equation into a neat equation. For example, I will write this integral problem involving trigonometric functions and then I will show you the next steps. So I will write over here and then I will insert this bracket and then I will write sine 18 minus x. I will close this bracket divided by cos, and then here I will write 3x plus 4 and then I will close it and here I will write dx. And now I want to convert it into a neat equation. I will use this selection tool. I will make my selection. And then here you can see we have this menu available on top, and then you can see we have these 3 dots available. I will select it and here you see this new option convert to maths. So I will select it and then here it will show you this conversion. You can select this convert option and here you can see the same handwritten equation is now turned it into a neat math equation. Now you can use it in your notes and you can also use it in other platforms as well. You can also use this Math Solver feature without internet. For example, I will turn off my Wi-Fi and now I want to use this Math Solver feature. So for example, I will write here 34 plus 4 divided by 12 and then I will write this equal sign. So I will get my answer. So this is really amazing. You can use this feature without internet. So guys, you can use this Math Solver feature for arithmetic calculations, for logarithmic and trigonometric operations, to create and define constants and much more. The next feature is about laser pointer rainbow feature. So if I select this laser pointer, here we have this new rainbow feature. You can use it for your presentations. You can also use a different style of laser pointer. So here we have this solid laser pointer. Then here we have this outline laser pointer. You can also use it for different type of presentations. And we also have this dot style laser pointer as well. Now I will show you how to update Samsung Notes. First of all, you have to open Galaxy Store and then from here you see we have this menu option. So you have to select it and here we have this updates option. So you have to select it and here it will show you the Samsung Notes. I already updated, that's why it's not showing over here. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.